Yes, the youth choir prepared. So, kanta tayo sa Carrington. Hymn 542. Hymn 542. There is sunshine in my soul. As you sing verse 1, there is sunshine in my soul today. More glorious than light, than the sea and earthly sky. Lord Jesus is my life. Oh, there's sunshine, blessed sunshine, when the peaceful happy moments grow. When Jesus shows His smiling face, there is sunshine in my soul. Sing verse 4 the last. There is gladness in my soul today.